Tuchena.
Ah,
Tuchena. Tuchena.
Oh yeah.
This is where we stayed for 2 nights. It's called the Sera Monastery. Costed us about 2,000 for 2 nights. They don't give you breakfast. You have to buy it from inside, and that too has specific timings. Very, very clean rooms. Very nice people. The location is beautiful. I really wish I could have stayed for another night as well, but because of time constraint I have to leave, but we will definitely be back. Hello everyone, today we'll be visiting 2 monasteries. One is going to be Sera, the guest house where we stayed, and this is Sera Monastery. The other one is going to be the Golden Temple. Let's go. May peace prevail in the world.
पहले जो हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं तिब्बत में है, तिब्बत में बकरे आए थे, बकरे आए थे थोड़ा सा बेटा है, इसी बेटा क्या बोलते हैं इंडिया का यहाँ जगह दिया था, हम लोग ये बना दिया।
वो जब चाइना अटैक किया था उस टाइम का बात है।
पहले तो ये दाल में जब चाइना में बेटा है ना तिब्बत में ना, वो चाइना ने हम लोग तिब्बत खा लिया, और बकरे आया था, इधर आया था और दाल में जो धर्मस्थान बैठा है ना, हम लोग बाकी यहाँ में आया था, इंडिया यहाँ में जगह दिया था, जगह दिया था, हम लोग ये मंदिर बना था।
48 इधर ही
इससे हो सकता है, हम लोग मंदिर इस बार में वो लगा दिया है। अब कितना साल हो गया, ज़्यादा दिन नहीं, साल नहीं होगा, 30 40 51 साल किया होगा, ज़्यादा नहीं किया सर, असली ज़्यादा किया वो चैनल खा लिया ऐसे सर।
शाम को टेम्पल में पूजा होते
मतलब हम लोग पढ़ा है नीचे सब बारे में, और 6 बजे से पढ़ा है। अच्छा 6 बजे से थोड़ा ज़्यादा हम लोग गया था बुद्ध गया में। आजकल का मतलब बुद्ध गया में वो बड़ा पूछा है, बोला पहला पूछा है, यहाँ में किया थोड़ा सा यहाँ बैठा है, बैठने लोग और यहाँ पढ़ेगा। 6 बजे से थोड़ा सा पढ़ेगा सर। ओके ट्रांसलेटर करेगा ये है सर।
ओके थैंक यू
वेरी मच।
हम लोग ज़्यादा नहीं बोल सकते।
नहीं अच्छा है,
काफ़ी है, काफ़ी थैंक यू।
हम लोग जैसे
हाँ
ठीक है।
Forget about the monsters underneath your bed. Sleep a little longer is what you used to say to me. Forget about the darkness, it's all just in your head. Sleep a little longer is what you used to say.
Full tank. बिल मिलेगा? बिल हाँ Benelli Benelli हाँ no party, only riding, only riding. No party.
Tell me why'd you have to leave right now? Think I'm losing my mind about now. Yeah, all I'm seeing is stars, cause I'm so lost without you. Tell me when can we speak again? Cause I don't think I can wait till then. Yeah, I look up to the stars, cause I'm so lost without you.
We have reached. Oh, that's Silent Shifter's bike. Oopsie. Hey. Hey, we've reached your place, dude.
Oh, you are here?
Yes.
You took the turn? There is construction going on.
Dude, we have parked inside your apartment. You're asking whether I'm taking the turn or not.
Okay. Nice.
Which floor?
4th floor. I'll come down, wait.
4th floor, ah.
You see my bike?
Yeah. I even sat on your bike, put a small scratch as well.
I'm coming, hold. Hold on. I was in my room only, 4th floor. How fast you came down, man?
Hey, Silent Shifter! What's up, dude?
You are revealing my face, bro, much better.
No, I will put the coverings in your face.
How was the ride?
Awesome, dude. Awesome, dude.
It was good, man. We didn't expect that we will reach on time.
Yeah, I was thinking, I messaged you just right now, outskirts karke.
2 hours, 45 minutes with non-stop we rode.
Oh fuck, you must be tired, man.
Not that much, dude.
My bed, we watch films together and reminisce about what you used to say. And when I'm caught in the shadows, when it's hard to see, I kickstart the floodlights in my head, just like you said to me.
You have to move your bike a little bit up front, yours. Nandan, take care.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, we'll catch up. It was an absolute pleasure, man.
Nice meeting you.
Hey, no, don't get emotional, dude. We'll definitely catch up. It's not the last time I'm coming to.
Man, seriously.
A lot of fun, dude. A lot of fun.
Fine.
Take care.
Yeah, take care.
Okay.
I'm
Huh?
gonna miss you.
Hey, absolutely, man. Same here, man. Had a lot of fun.
I'm gonna miss you both. Yeah, fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Chalo, man. Take care.
Yes.
Okay, we'll catch up for sure.
Yeah, sure, man. We'll reach there and inform you. Okay. Bye.
Bye, man.
Bye.
We gotta go this way, dude. And you're gonna go that way. Okay. Nice kid. Really, really good time. Bye, man. We're gonna meet up for sure. So it's just the first meet, and then we've got more meetups coming up. So
We really got attached to each other in just a span of one day.
yeah, man. Yeah. I really appreciate that, man. Once again, you take care.
Yes.
Okay.
Right safe.
Yep.
Right safe.
Yep. Chalo, man.
Bye.
Get on the bike.
Yes. Bye. Bye.
I said we will meet again.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye.
Go safe.
Yes. Sure. Bye.
Oh, man. Oh man, got me all emotional now. Got me all emotional. It's such a good feeling when somebody looks up to you and looks up to you as an inspiration or a source of motivation. It's just, God, man, it's such a powerful feeling. It's a powerful feeling. Now I'm feeling it right now, and I'm emotional. I am. I guess some people might think it's silly, but this is emotional, man. It's getting into me. It's a good feeling.